If you want to benefit from all the advantages and advancements that V4 brings you, but you run Langfuse yourself, there are a few steps you need to take to upgrade to our newest release. The first important thing is that you run ClickHouse 2512, ideally ClickHouse 26.4. This is the main prerequisite to get started. From there, you can pick up our new Docker images, roll them out, see the new tables, and get started on V4. There are a few things that you can customize. One is the write mode. Currently, we support a dual write mode that allows you to ingest in our old format and in a new format. That way, nothing changes for your consumers within your company. Old APIs will remain working. They can toggle between the new and the old UI, and they can do the upgrade at their own pace. Once you're ready, we have the new events-only mode. This is where things get fast. We write only into the new tables, you only see the new interface, and each read, each table load will be blazing fast. In general, you can follow our upgrade guide that walks you through the different stages and also helps you select which mode is right for you and your enterprise. If you want to move your historic data into the new format, there are two options that you can choose to fit your needs. One is our automatic background migration that would trigger as soon as you launch the new V4 image. Here, we take your existing data and move it into the new format in the background. So as soon as you start the new image in the new views, it may seem as if data is missing, but you will find it appearing over time in your views. We go newest to oldest, so your most recent data should appear quickly after making the change. The historic migration involves a lot of rewriting data, which may be intense on your ClickHouse cluster. So as an alternative, we also provide a way for you to migrate data if you use data retention. In that case, you can opt in to the dual write, and once one full period has expired, you can make the flip without rewriting anything. So choose between automatic backfill or retention-based cutover to fit your needs.